In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build customized CRM experiences on HubSpot in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to refine your existing system, the aim here is to enhance your CRM to better suit your specific business needs and streamline your processes effectively. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to log into your HubSpot account. Accessing your tools is where customization begins, so make sure you have your login details ready. Once you're in, take a good look at the areas where HubSpot's default functionalities aren't quite aligning with your business processes. This is crucial, as identifying these gaps allows you to tailor the CRM to your unique requirements. Perhaps your sales team uses a different process, or certain departments need specific data fields. Noting these areas will guide your customization efforts. Moving on, consider defining new objects if your business demands more than the out-of-the-box offerings like contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. This can be particularly beneficial for industries with specialized data management needs. For example, if you're in a sector with specific regulatory or client tracking requirements, having additional or alternative objects can provide clearer, more specific data organization. Next, focus on creating new fields or properties for those objects to collect and store data that's critical to your business operations. Think about what unique data points you need to track. Customizing these fields ensures your team inputs and retrieves the most relevant information effortlessly, saving time and reducing friction in data entry. Another important area is the customization of sales pipelines, deal stages, and ticket stages. Make sure these reflect your unique sales processes and support workflows. Customizing these stages allows your team to track progress and issues accurately, ensuring that every stage of your process is well documented and easy to follow. As you customize, organizing your CRM data with custom views can help you filter and display information according to specific criteria. This helps ensure that you can access the information you need quickly and efficiently without getting lost in a sea of data. For a more personalized touch, consider using personalization tokens. These tokens allow you to dynamically insert customer-specific information into emails and other content, tailoring communication precisely to each customer. Finally, take advantage of the custom report builder to generate reports tailored to your needs. Track key metrics and gain insights into your CRM data in a way that supports your business strategies. Regular reporting through custom dashboards lets you evaluate your CRM's effectiveness and make informed decisions. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a CRM experience in HubSpot that's both personalized and efficient. Customize thoughtfully and watch your business processes align more closely with your goals. Thank you for watching, and take your CRM skills to the next level.